Okay, Berberian Sound Studio. Probably one of the most unique sort of titles for a horror-esque psychological thriller drama film. This is like half Hitchcockian and half it's a like Gaelian. It's a Gael. It's an Italian filmmaker. It stars Toby Jones as a guy who's a sound engineer. Most of the things is like the Foley mixing. So it's like I'm gonna break salary because it sounds like this. He does children's films and documentaries, and is brought in to do a ridiculously gruesome, violent movie. So he's spending his nights watching the video, putting things in some confused. Catch with a blender. I'm gonna stab repeatedly, heads of lettuce and cut open cabbage and stab watermelons. And you can tell that he's just breaking down throughout the process. And Toby Jones is fantastic for this sort of role. He has this quiet, unassuming nature to him. So when you see him breaking down, it's different. It's just kind of like a 1 hour photo-esque sort of feel to it. But it's good. And it's weird. And then it gets mildly confusing. The ending of this film is something that is either undeniably brilliant or just confusing.